Oh. So recently I stumbled across this gentleman's video. I think it was called "Keep Posting No Matter What They Say." And he was arguing basically that YouTube doesn't like his channel anymore, but he's gonna keep posting because he's a believer. And a video blew up on a dying channel with an average of 1,000 views per video. It got, I think, over 30,000 or maybe over 40,000 already. So he used this video as a vehicle to continue posting, and after that I checked some of his other videos, and he's showing his AdSense revenue. I think he earned like $600 or $700 for that video. And what he's posting now is basically the same topic, like, hey guys, you see, my video blew up, we're gonna keep posting, we just need to keep posting. But where's the new message here? Why should the viewers keep coming back for more? I think most people who are inspired by this message, like keep posting no matter what, they're doing it wrong. So let's discuss how to do it correctly. So just keep posting, bro, is generally a good advice, and I agree with it. You see, I had many YouTube channels in my life. I did like 10 attempts. This is my 10th attempt. And in one of the experiments, I just tried to post talking head videos every day. It was a challenge. So I posted 21 of them till I got tired. And I didn't share my videos anywhere. It was just up to YouTube algorithm. And I can share the results of this challenge. Initially I wanted to post like 1 month straight, 30 videos, but I got tired because motivation is garbage, and motivation will not keep you working long enough till you see the results. So I got 5 subscribers just from the YouTube algorithm, and I got like 5 comments on 21 videos. It demotivated me very quickly. None of the videos got over 100 views. Mostly those views were like garbage. I mean, if the video is, for example, 10 minutes, average view duration was under 1 minute. So apparently YouTube was serving my videos to their own audience, and my motivation wasn't enough to keep going. So you may ask why I did not continue that channel later when my motivation came back, and I just lost an access to the Google account because I sold the phone with a SIM card. Apparently you cannot do this. Google doesn't like it, and Google doesn't allow you to log into your account even if you know the password. Anyways, I lost small channel with like 5 subscribers, and I decided to start this one. This one is different. This one is intentional. So let's talk about how to be intentional. Well, let's go drink some coffee so I can explain my point. Yep, that's our coffee with a cake. So normally we come to drink coffee almost every day. This set costs about $6. So nothing unusual. Many people come to drink coffee every day, at least when they work. That would be like 22 days per month. And in many cities like New York, 1 cup of coffee can cost $5, $10. So if you count how much you spend on coffee, so-called latte effect, it may be like $100 per month, just coffee. Think about it. And you know what? $100 is the amount that I got from my biggest YouTube channel with 22,000 subscribers for last month. Actually, it's less, it's about $95. So my biggest takeaway from more than 10 years of doing YouTube is to never rely on AdSense revenue. This channel I just started yesterday. I posted my first video. I don't know how long it will take me to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Right now I got, I think, 13 views for my first video, and that's okay. And normally it takes around 100 videos on average to get monetized. So imagine every day you go take your coffee, you spend your $5–6, and you spend energy to create another video. For what? To get monetized. And later, after you got monetized, you will find out that sometimes the whole month you post in videos and you cannot earn even $100, even to pay for your coffee. So that's not a business model. Many people think YouTube is passive income. YouTube is not a source of passive income. You actually have to keep posting videos just to earn money for a cup of coffee or a cake. So don't rely on it. We will talk what to do instead, and how to keep posting to actually earn money. And let me enjoy my coffee. So if you shouldn't be posting for the sake of posting, it kind of raises a question: what should you do to make money on YouTube or any other social media? Well, first of all, you have to stop and create a strategy. Answer the question, who's your customer? Because when you posting daily, for example, vlogging without any topic or original idea in every video, obviously your customer is Google, because you keep sending your content to Google servers, and you keep expecting that Google will pay for this eventually. This is a very bad idea, because if you think about it, Google gives you an opportunity to serve your videos to the right audience. And if you can successfully identify your audience's problems, and how can you help fixing that problems, you can charge money fixing the problems for real people. This way it completely changes the narrative. Your customer is no longer Google or YouTube. Your customer is your viewer. So basically every video that you posting can be a sales pitch, like, hey, I provide this service. This service is related to the topic I'm talking about. I can fix your problem. You can pay me a small fee. For example, I sell a digital product, or here's my affiliate link. Let me give you an example. So I identified that my target audience is content creators who are struggling with making money on social media. And what did I do? I created this topic, which is of interest to you, for example. And how do I monetize my video? If my channel is not monetized, obviously it's a new channel. So I put a link in the description, and I promote School. So what is School? School is an all-in-one platform where you can monetize your skills. You can teach people how to ride a bicycle, doing like some sports, tennis, volleyball, whatever, teaching how to build a house, teaching how to repair a car. Any skill, actually any skill is monetizable now because of new digital economy. And it's 14 days free trial. You can try it, and actually this way you can start your business with only $99 per month. That's their flat fee, and all money you earn is yours. For example, you create a community where you charge like $10 per month to learn some skill, or to stay in a group that fixes some problem, for example, weight loss. If you were successful with weight loss, you can share your journey, give your tips, because there are a lot of tips on weight loss, but people, they like personal stories, they like personalized advice. They like to stay in a group to help them achieve their goal. So you can create a weight loss group and charge just $10. It's like nothing. It's a couple of cups of coffee. So you can attract, for example, 100 people, and it's your $1,000. If you think it's difficult, no. Actually, what is difficult is earning $1,000 of stable income every month through YouTube AdSense. That is difficult. I never achieved that personally. My wife beat that threshold. She earned more than 1,000 a couple of months in her entire YouTube career, which is I think over 5 years now. Yeah, 2 months she beat $1,000 with her channel. I never beat $1,000 because when your customer is Google, Google will pay you wherever Google feels is fair. And Google will not pay you millions of dollars. When you work for yourself, when you work for people that you communicating with, you can obviously charge them a little fee, and what is $5, $10, $50 for one person can be like $500, $1,000, $5,000 if you attract 100 people or 1,000 people. It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult because it's a small fee, it's a small money. And if you're interested, just check my link in the description and start your 14-day free trial. Good luck with that. Subscribe to learn more.